Hey everybody, it's Andy Baryer, Handy Andy from handyandymedia.com, back at it with another unboxing video. This time it's a portable projector from Epson, their EF12. This is a laser portable projector, so it's supposed to be really small. You could probably use this indoors and outdoors. It's got 1000 lumens. Very curious to see how this works. It's also got Yamaha, I don't know if you can see that right there. Yamaha built-in speakers that you could also use as independent Bluetooth speakers. So it's both a Bluetooth speaker and a laser projector in one. Let's go ahead and start with this unboxing, and it starts with a welcome to a new streaming experience. And that's important because it does have Android TV built in, YouTube, Google, all of that. You can cast onto it. It's got Google Assistant built in as well. It's interesting. It's got A and B barcodes. No idea what that's about. And that's nice. Once you open it up, it gives you the quick setup right here. So put that aside. Got some styrofoam holding everything in place. This has got a cube design. Oh my God, that's so small. This is hilarious. Hold on. Before I do that, I'm just gonna, I can feel that there's something else in the box on the bottom. So maybe I'll take these out and try to figure out what is underneath here, which I believe would be the power cord. Yeah. There we go. Take that out, put that aside. Okay, let's begin by taking a quick look. This thing is compact and tiny. Very interesting. There we go. It's got a kind of cool feel to it. Material. It's got that fabric here. You can see this is where the speakers are. Here are your ports. 2 HDMI. You have the USB-A. Oh, that's that old. I don't know if you can see that. That's that old, geez, what is it? Just micro USB? Before there was micro USB, I think there was something else. Here's the lens itself right on the front. You can see it's on the bottom. This is where it actually figures out the distance. It automatically calibrates. And then, of course, you have some of the controls on the top. I really like this look. It's kind of reminds me of like an old speaker. Cool design. Let's see, on the bottom here. Okay, here we go. You have this gray button. And that should do, release this if I remember correctly. Huh. Have to figure that out, but it's supposed to be, oh, here we go. There we go. So this is to use, instead of having to use like a book, you can prop this up when you put it on your table. The interesting thing about this is there is no optical zoom. You can just tell by looking at it. I think you have to press this to get it down. Hold on one sec. Let me try this. Oh yeah, there we go. So you do that and then you press it and it falls back down in place. So that's cool because you get to adjust it into different levels. What's this say? Extra care road service. This is super compact. You can't believe it. It almost looks like a Bluetooth speaker, but then it's also got a projector built into it. Now, 1000 lumens. It's using a lot of Epson's, technology that they have for projectors to make sure that you can use the maximum amount of color with the less amount of energy. Speaking of that, where is the power source? That's what I wanted to look at because I'm gotta check. I don't think there's a built-in battery in this or not. So it does need an external power. So there's this power cable, but that would obviously connect to, oh, it's got a, this is like what you would typically see with a laptop. So it's basically a laptop style power bank that connects directly into here. Wait a minute, I'm a little confused. So this connects directly into that. Oh, okay. And then this is what this cable is for. I get it. Also comes with the dedicated controller. Let's take a close look at this. And thankfully, batteries. So Like I said, it's a Google TV. It's all built in. So it's already inside the unit. You didn't have to sacrifice an HDMI port like some other brands do. Takes two AAAs. Looks super easy. Even got a dedicated button for YouTube. I love that. And then also voice assistant, Google Assistant. So that's the cool thing about this. If you get good at it, you could just use your voice to pull up content. So anyways, like I was mentioning, what I'll do actually, before I start blabbing, I'm going to take everything out, make it look nice and pretty, and show you exactly what you get in this box. Okay, so here's everything outside of the box. You, of course, have the projector itself. Nice compact form factor. Has that laptop style power bank with its cable. What is this? Interesting. Look at that. I just found a screw. I don't have to look into that. Comes with batteries for the remote control. And then, of course, you have the quick setup guide in various languages because we are in Canada here, so it'll be in English and French. And then your typical kind of papers that come with it. So a super small, compact projector that you could literally take anywhere. I wonder if they'll make like a case or something so you can just like carry this with you. But what I'm going to be doing is, since this has 1000 lumens, I want to test this indoors and outdoors. Indoors, I'm going to be testing this in my smart home themed Airbnb suite. I already have an Epson projector actually mounted to the ceiling. And it's facing a wall. So I'll test that in here. It says you can do up to 150 inches. So we're going to test that and see how the color is at that height. And then we'll just have to keep working on it. And then I'll test it outdoors in the nighttime. My neighbor actually has an outdoor projector screen. So I'm just going to kind of walk over there and borrow that projector screen at nighttime to test this out. So you'll want to have subscribe to this channel, comment, like this video, you know, all that jazz. I'm sorry, I keep thinking about how this is going to perform compared to my other Epson. The bulb on that one is running out. Speaking of bulbs, this laser projector says it can do about 20,000 hours. So it's going to be a very interesting comparison when I test that old Epson projector with a very dull bulb compared to this one. I bet you it's going to be night and day. So you want to tune in, subscribe to this channel, and check out this review. I got a lot of portable projectors coming my way right now. So I'll be testing them both indoors and outdoors and giving you my thoughts on, you know, is this a worthy investment? I think on Best Buy right now in Canada, this is retailing. It's on sale for about $1,000. So it's like, do you get a TV or do you get one of these things and just move it around room to room? That's basically what I'm going to try to determine. So once again, my name is Andy Baryer, Handy Andy from Handy Andy Media. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment. And of course, be tuned for the review of this projector from Epson, their EF12. Andy Baryer signing out. See you again next time. Bye for now.